All right, we are underneath the 1983 Porsche 944, and we are removing the oil drain plug, 14 millimeter, I believe. Got a little rust on it.
Somebody really put it on there.
Or somebody hasn't taken it off in a long time.
Should I? Okay, that works too.
Okay. Just a little bit of corrosion on there. Good thing that the kit from FCP Euro comes with a brand new plug it's actually a magnetic plug, which is even nicer.
Oh yeah, she looks a little dark.
That is definitely some dark sauce right there. Spicy meatballs.
Is it?
It's open.
Yeah, it's full.
Let that go down a little bit first.
Yeah, I think so.
Very nice, very nice.
All right, now you should be good enough. I'll go open the top, see if it
Hey, this one's got a magnet too.
comes out any faster.
All right, kiddies. Been letting this thing drain a little while. Now it is time to replace the drain plug.
Freshy. Give it a good hand. Get it snug on the crush washer and give it a good crankaroo. That's as many foot-pounds as you're gonna need.
That felt nice. All right, now we're gonna go. Now, I couldn't find a clear answer, but FCP Euro gives us 7 liters, and I was seeing on some forums that it takes 6.5, but like the book says 5.7, so I might just put 6 in, check it, start up the car, let it warm up, let it cycle through, and then check it again and see where we're at. Is this any bigger than what is there? I guess a little bit.
I don't know.
It looks like used oil.
That's the anti-friction something or another. Nice. Good when it looks like putting mud
Maybe
in.
that's why the stuff that came out was so dark. Everything we've done today has been difficult.
What's new?
God, that oil looks like, doesn't it? Oh, you know what? We never did the filter. Not that that matters, but filter.
Yeah.
I'll be interested to see if this stuff looks black too. All right, so the filter is located over yonder. Of course.
He's on there pretty tight.
Strong, man. I wonder if I have a filter. 74 millimeter 14 flute adapter for the oil filter.
It's draining right onto the... That was
Precarious.
just get it and hit it.
Let me change a filter. I'm gonna get a little bit of oil on the seal. That way it'll go on nice and easy. Nice and take her ease. Yeah. Any way it wants to go on, I will appreciate it. Alright, and then just kind of hand snug should be good. And we will proceed filling.